The Portrait of a Lady by Khushwant Singh. Learning objectives. By the end of this smart learning module, students should be able to understand, interpret, evaluate, and respond to the characters, form, theme, and the setting of this story. To understand the different approaches to life and different aspects of Indian spirituality in cities and villages. To evaluate the importance of traditional values. To appreciate the importance of parental love and family bonding. Concepts in module. Introduction. About the author. Summary and analysis. Critical appraisal. The Indian culture is deeply rooted in the family. Parents share a very strong bond with children and vice versa. Grandparents form a very important part of the family, and children are usually very attached to them. Sometimes there is a clash between two generations, as the young one wants to follow the Western way of modern life, while the older generation wishes to go with the Indian values. How do you think we should deal with such conflicts? How should we move forward as a society? The story is taken from the Book of Unforgettable Women. Attributes of a grandmother: unconditional love, kindness, solace, great lessons of life, emotional support. Khushwant Singh was one of the best known Indian writers of all times. He had a distinguished career as a journalist with All India Radio in 1951. He was India's best known columnist and journalist. Let's take a quick look at the summary and analyze the story. Khushwant Singh describes his intimate relationship with his grandmother and the beautiful time they spent together. The narrator's parents left him in the village with her when they went to live in the city. He shared the same room with his grandmother and they soon developed a strong bond. Grandmother was a deeply religious woman. She recited her morning prayer in a monotonous voice while she bathed and dressed him. Both went to school together as the school was adjacent to the temple. She used to carry several stale chapatis to feed the village dogs. When his parents got settled in the city, they sent for them. It was a turning point in their relationship. He was admitted to an English school. Grandmother no longer accompanied him to the school as he used to go by a motor bus. She remonstrated silently when she came to know that he was being taught Western science. She was distressed to hear that music lessons were imparted in the city schools. To her, Western music had obscene associations. Remonstrated.
Make a forceful protest in a disapproving manner. That means कि make a forceful protest in a disapproving manner. Expostulate या object या किसी का विरोध करना, ठीक है, because he was not actually like to have that kind of study, like to be to be learn about the English, Western science, all these things actually she did not like. She, and music, above all music, she did not like at all. Okay, so that's why it is being she remonstrated. Means कि she actually was objected. Expostulate. ठीक है. Now student.
She remonstrated silently when she came to know that he was being taught Western science. She was distressed to hear that music lessons were imparted in the city schools. To her, Western music had obscene associations. Obscene.
Obscene means students vulgar or disgusting by accepted standards of morality and decency. Actually, according to the old people, old generation, and music actually is meant for only those people who are indecent and who are, dirty characters. Because if you go through the history of, India, so what actually the old people think about the music? Music actually, is being, they take at the time actually they thought that music is has a vulgarity. Even if we as on today, also if we, the Bollywood, that kind of, they so much, sometimes, if the old people actually don't like, that, because our culture tradition is somewhat different than the Western culture, yeah, the music actually has a actually Western connections, so therefore at that time actually people who are actually, have some connections with the music, so they, the old people actually take them, have the vulgar character, therefore when actually the author actually, in his childhood went to the, to join a public school, so, see, felt bad. So that is, you know
When the family moved to the city, the gap between the city habits and the traditional practices of the villages became more ostensible. The grandson was inculcating the ways of the city, and the grandmother felt left out as she had no knowledge of English or subjects taught in secular schools. Culture clash became unavoidable. Ostensible.
ostensible means कि appearing to be true or but not necessarily so, apparent seeming, जो that means कि appearing to be true but not necessarily so, ठीक है ना, that is called.
When the grandson entered university, he was given a room of his own. The common link of friendship was snapped. She accepted her seclusion with resignation. From morning till evening, she used to sit by her wheel, spinning and reciting her prayers. Resignation.
Resignation means here a sad feeling of accepting something that you do not like because you can't change it. Okay, and in this way the meaning is कि a sad feeling of accepting something that you do not like because you can't change it. तो forbearance या non resistance या passivity या acceptance. Okay, I think you are understanding.
She accepted her seclusion. Seclusion.
Seclusion means कि living lonely and, isolation, solitude. Okay, students, I think you are understanding.
The happiest hour of the day for her was when she would feed the sparrows. At this point in the story, we can feel the grandmother establishing a spiritual bond with birds and animals. When the grandson decided to go abroad for further studies, grandmother came to see him off. Her emotions were under complete restraint. Her mind was lost in prayers and she said nothing at all. After 5 years, when the grandson was back, she didn't look a day older. That was the only day that she had omitted to pray. In the evening, she collected the women of the neighborhood, got an old drum, and thumped it for hours together, singing the homecoming of warriors. She overexerted herself so much that she fell ill. Intuitively, she felt that her end was near and she did not want to waste time and only prayed that moment on. She passed peacefully while telling the beads of her rosary.
Telling the beads of her rosary means she passed peacefully. She passed peacefully while telling the beads of her rosary means कि वो जाप कर रही थी. ठीक है, pass peacefully.
Her love for birds and animals and her own family gave her some sort of an intuitive power. She sang of homecoming of warriors on the day her grandson came home after 5 years. At this point, she appears to have gained a spiritual intuition and she seems to have a premonition of her death. She is a warrior who is returning to her abode after a long struggle. Premonition.
A strong feeling that something unpleasant is about to happen. Okay, that is called premonition.
Arrangements were made for her funeral. When her dead body was lying on the floor, many sparrows came and sat by her. The narrator's mother offered them some bread crumbs, but they took no notice and flew away quietly when the corpse was lifted to be taken to the cremation ground. The sparrows refusing the breadcrumbs when offered by the author's mother depicts the attachment they had with his grandmother. The bond between the sparrows and the grandmother was spiritual and unconditional. The grandmother shows how love can transcend all differences and create everlasting bonds. Critical appraisal. Theme, style, characterization. Theme. The theme of family and filial bonds. The story is about familial bonds in typical Indian families. In particular, this story explores the relationship between the author's grandmother and himself. People brought up at a different time sometimes tend to be guarded towards modernization as it changes the world that was not so familiar to them. They also feel protective towards their loved ones, which makes them disapproving and skeptical when the younger generation embraces the modernized ways. Westernization and its influences, which are very much common habits in the cities, are at times not acceptable to the septuagenarians, as was the case with the author's grandmother.
इसका
Septuagenarian.
a person actually who a person who is between 70 and 79 years old is called septuagenarian. Okay.
The strength of the love for family remains unshaken despite a multitude of differences between generations. That precisely is the strength of Indian families, and thus it forms the core theme of this chapter. The theme of spirituality and the supernatural. Spirituality is deeply rooted in the Indian culture, and with spirituality, the supernatural is inextricably intertwined. The grandmother is a true symbol of this spiritual dimension. Her unwavering faith allows her to form a close bond with nature. The sparrows came to her precisely at the same time every day, and she lovingly fed them. When she died, the sparrows mourned her passing. In addition to that, her faith allowed her to predict her death and allowed her to pass on peacefully in her sleep. Her ability to predetermine her own death adds a supernatural element to the story. The
The story is
first-hand
narrated.
information straight from the author. It makes the entire story appear more convincing and authentic. The first person narrative makes it easy for the readers to get immersed in the story and feel all the emotions as the story progresses. The story is kind of a memoir of the days Singh spent with his grandmother. As he reminisces, the readers get vivid mental pictures each incident he describes. Therefore, the title, The Portrait of a Lady, stands absolutely justified. The main characters of the story are the author and his grandmother. His parents and the women of the society form the second set of characters, who haven't been introduced as thoroughly in the story. The author, Khushwant Singh, is the narrator of the story, and he comes across as an astute observer who used to be very close to his grandmother as a child. As he grew up and moved to the city, their relationship started to get increasingly strained. Since he was part of the younger generation, adapting with the city ways came to him naturally, but it resulted in his drifting apart from his grandmother. Singh's grandmother was his best friend when he was a child. She raised him and was his constant companion for years. She was aged, and the author has described us as old, so terribly old that she could not have grown older. She hobbled about the house in spotless white, with one hand telling the beads of her rosary. Her lips constantly moved in inaudible prayer. Hobbled.
Awkward means walk in an awkward way, typically because of pain in feet or legs. The staggering stumble, है ना, लंगड़ा के चलना.
One who loved her grandson very much, loved by animals and birds as well. She was not very happy about her grandson learning music or going abroad for studies. She expressed her dissent through silence. Towards the end of her life, she mostly kept to herself and either prayed or fed the sparrows. Her faith enabled her to predict her own death. Lewd.
Lewd. Lewd means कि vulgar and socially unacceptable. Lewd.
Harlot.
Harlot. Harlot means कि a female prostitute.
Harlot.
Harlot.
Lewd.
Lewd.
Veritable.
Veritable. To use for emphasis or often to qualify a metaphor.
Bedlam.
Bedlam. The scene of uproar and confusion.
Frivolous.
Frivolous. Not having any serious purpose or value. A light-hearted, a superficial, non-serious.
Sagging.
Sagging. Sagging means कि hanging down loosely or unevenly.
Dilapidated.
Dilapidated. That means कि in a state of ruin as a result of age or neglect.
Pallor.
Pallor. Pallor means कि the state of being very pale in appearance. So students, with this I conclude this video. Thank you very much for watching and listening, and a very happy, and have a very nice and pleasant day to all of you. And I hope that you have learned. And if you have any kind of query or any kind of doubt, you can WhatsApp me, and you can also can directly call me, and it is, and surely I will try to clarify your queries. Thank you very much for listening and watching this video.